Yousician versus Rocksmith. Which guitar learning app is better? Choosing the right guitar learning app can significantly impact how fast you improve and how much you enjoy your practice sessions. Yousician and Rocksmith are two of the most well-known tools for learning guitar, each with a different approach. Yousician focuses on interactive lessons with real-time feedback and gamified learning, while Rocksmith uses a more immersive real guitar experience, where you plug in your instrument and play along. This comparison breaks down how each app works, so you can pick the one that best suits your learning style. Yousician is an interactive music learning app that teaches guitar, along with other instruments, through real-time feedback and engaging lessons. Its lessons are structured around exercises, popular songs, and technique practices that adapt to your skill level. Yousician listens as you play and scores your performance, helping you identify areas for improvement instantly. The app combines music theory with hands-on practice in a game-like environment, making it fun and motivating for learners. It's ideal for users who enjoy interactive exercises, immediate feedback, and a structured learning path that evolves with their progress. Rocksmith is a guitar learning platform that offers a unique, immersive experience by connecting your real guitar directly to your device using a cable. Instead of simulated frets or screens, Rocksmith listens to your actual instrument and teaches you songs and techniques in real time. Its song library spans multiple genres and includes adjustable difficulty, so you can start simple and build up. Rocksmith focuses more on song-based learning and real playing techniques rather than theory drills, which can help players develop practical skills and confidence with real strings. It's best suited for learners who want an authentic playing experience and prefer learning through playing full songs rather than step-by-step lessons. Feature comparison. Yousician and Rocksmith serve different learning preferences. Yousician excels at interactive, structured lessons with gamified feedback, ideal for learners who want a guided and engaging approach. Rocksmith stands out for providing an authentic playing experience with real songs and techniques, which helps bridge the gap between practice and actual playing. Your choice depends on whether you prefer gamified structured learning or an immersive song-based guitar experience. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a fun, guided way to learn guitar basics, technique, and theory with instant feedback, Yousician is an excellent choice. If your goal is to play real songs on a real guitar and learn through an immersive, practical approach, Rocksmith offers a uniquely effective platform. Both tools can help you grow as a guitarist. The best one comes down to your learning style and goals.